You know London's Kew Garden? Well, Shanghai has its own botanical wonder where you can climb peaks and venture into caves. Hi everyone, today we are exploring Shanghai Chenshan Botanical Garden, a green paradise you can't miss. Let's discover this urban fairy tale in just 5 minutes. Unlike Kew's royal vibe, Chenshan is a modern botanical paradise. Escape the city crowds and immerse yourself in lush greenery and exotic plants. Slide down grassy slopes, explore quarry caves, and spot cute animals. It's perfect for families, camping, light hiking, or peaceful weekend getaway. Take a Metro Line 9 to Songjiang Station and then 15-minute taxi or 30-minute bus if you are not in a hurry. There are 3 entrances. Gate 1, Flower Gardens. Gate 2, Greenhouses. Gate 3, Quarry Waterfall. Start at Gate 1, Flowers and then Quarry, and last Greenhouses. It's a smart route. Tickets cost 60 RMB per adult. Scan WeChat QR code or buy at the staffed ticket booth at the gate or book online via apps like Dianping. You'll be inside in seconds. Inside, park shuttle way to your left, but we are walking to savor every detail. Head right and you'll be greeted by a colorful bloom of flowers. Welcome to Rose Island. Walking out of the island and wandering to the left, you'll pass cherry groves and grassy hills where kids are sliding and laughing. At the top of hill, the lonely tree stands still, a must-snap photo spot. Then past the sunflower trail, treehouse, pirate ship, lotus palm, and even a surprise plum tree with ripe fruits covering the ground. Sweet and tangy. Next, the quarry garden, built from a 30-year-old mine, is one of the park's highlights. Walk down the steps and find a 30-meter deep turquoise pool and twin waterfalls. Then it's time for the mine cave adventure. Just a 3-minute walk through tunnels with stone carvings and trickling streams feels like stepping back in time. Back outside, there's flower fields and a snack kiosk, perfect to grab a drink and chill for a bit. Now we are heading to 3 famous giant greenhouses. Rare plant, sand plant, tropical flower. They reportedly cost over multi-million dollars to build. In the rare plant house, don't miss a bug-eating pitcher plant. Their little bottles track insects pretty cool. The sand plant house is a cactus forest. Human-sized cacti stand tall in sandy landscapes, ultimate desert photos. When entering the tropical jungle, you'll see vivid dinosaur and flowing water in green, like Jurassic Park in real life. If you've got time, find a lake view spot, watch swans glide, catch a distant view of the Chenshan Pagoda, or camp out with friends. Enjoy a moment of inner peace. Food options inside are simple. Grab quick bites at entrance cafes or snack carts inside the park. For nice meals, you can order delivery to the gates or taxi 2 or 3 kilometers to nearby restaurants. As Chenshan Botanical Garden is in Shanghai suburbs, you can extend your trip to nearby spots like Shanghai Mountain, Guangfulin Country Park, or Happy Valley Theme Park. Remember to check opening hours online before visiting. That's it for today. If you find it so soothing, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more secret spots. Where should we go next? Tell us in the comments.
Bing, bing, bing.